करुणाकरसूरीन्द्रगुरुवर्यपदाम्बुजां नवनीतनटोत्तंसां गुरुपङ्क्तिश्रियन्नुमः. Dear friends, today we are here to listen to a moral story which tells us that we should avoid insulting others and self-praise. This is a story from the Mahabharata. It was the time of the Mahabharata war, and Lord Krishna had refused to take up arms during this war. But his presence on the side of the Pandavas was to safeguard them throughout the battle whenever they were in times of crisis. Lord Krishna helped them find their way out of many tricky situations during the war. Now, Arjuna was a man who had taken many vows. Two such vows were that the first one was that he would kill anybody who insulted his skill in archery. And the second vow was that he would kill anybody who hurt his elder brother Yudhishthira. Now, during the battle between the Kauravas and the Pandavas, Yudhishthira got injured one day very badly, and then he came back to the camp dejected. Arjuna and Krishna too arrived at the tent of Yudhishthira, and on seeing Arjuna, Yudhishthira gave vent to his anger. He insulted Arjuna, saying that he must give up his bow because he is not able to kill the enemies at all. So essentially, Yudhishthira insulted Arjuna's skill in archery. Now, Arjuna was bound by his vow to kill anybody who insulted his bravery. So now, there came up a terrible situation where he had to kill his own brother according to his vow. But he did not want to do it. Nevertheless, his vow prompted him to do the same. So, as always, he looked up to Krishna for help, and Krishna, as usual, did not let him down. He told Arjuna that, "Oh Arjuna, read this note of palm leaf." And he handed over a palm leaf to Arjuna. What was written in that? It was written that, "O Yudhishthira, you are the one who has brought us to this situation. Was it not your gambling that actually led our family to lose its hard-earned property? Was it not your gambling, O Yudhishthira, that resulted in Draupadi getting humiliated? It is only because of your mistakes, O Yudhishthira, that we have lost so many great kings and soldiers in this war." As Arjuna read out the list, Yudhishthira hung his head in shame. Could there be anything more troubling than having one's sins pointed out on the face and being told that he is responsible for the sorrow of others? This is akin to death. Thus, by insulting Yudhishthira, Arjuna had killed him in a metaphoric way. But now, Arjuna had another vow that he would kill anybody who insulted his brother Yudhishthira. So, this would mean that Arjuna now needed to kill himself according to his vow. What to do now? Again, he looked up at Krishna. Again, Krishna did not let him down. And he handed over another palm leaf to Arjuna, which had a set of things written. What were they? They were all the laurels of Arjuna. I am Arjuna, the one who won over Drupada for the sake of Drona. I am Arjuna, who won over the Swayamvara of Draupadi. I am Arjuna, the great warrior who single-handedly fought all the kings during the Virata war. I am Arjuna, who holds the Pashupatastra. So on and so forth. All the laurels of Arjuna were written in that palm leaf. Arjuna read it aloud. Now, self-praise is also akin to death, because by praising oneself, he just belittles his own glory by giving space to his self ego. That's exactly what had happened now, because Arjun read out this palm leaf, and because he had praised himself, it was decided that metaphorically Arjuna had committed suicide, and so the problem lay solved. So the other vow was also kept by him. Thus, if one insults another on his face, that is equivalent to killing a person. Similarly, praising one's own self, bragging about oneself, is also equivalent to killing one's own self. So let us not fall prey to either of them, friends. Let us respect others and let us always stay humble. Thank you.